Okay, so here we see a graph with a line on it. And notice that it's heading in a positive trend or in a positive direction. We want to find the slope of this line. So there are two ordered pairs that have been identified that are on this line. Now, if we were to try and find slope by using rise and run, you might notice that this is going to be very tricky to do. Very tricky to do because of the placement of these dots. These dots are not right at where some grid lines cross. If they were, it'd be as simple as, using rise and run, making sure we're careful of the scale, but, just doing that. And that would be a very convenient and very easy way to find the slope. It is not going to work with this example. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to find that there's a different way to find slope using two ordered pairs that we know are on the line. Here's the formula. Slope is equal to the y-coordinate of the second ordered pair minus the y-coordinate of the first ordered pair divided by the x-coordinate for the second ordered pair minus the x-coordinate for the first ordered pair. Now you're looking at that formula going, what? What are you talking about? Y-coordinate of second ordered pair. Well, here's what we're talking about. We're basically going to label these two ordered pairs as ordered pair number 2 and ordered pair number 1. The y-coordinate of the second ordered pair is this number, 15.5. And so we're going to substitute 15.5 right there. The y-coordinate for the first ordered pair is right there. It's 6.2. And so we're going to subtract 6.2 divided by, well, same deal. We need the x-coordinate now for point number 2. There it is. So it's 73 minus, and what do we got here? We got 15 for x1. So minus 15. Okay, at this point, we can now just evaluate. So, with a calculator, we got 15.5 minus 6.2 is 9.3. 73 minus 15 is 58. Changing that to a decimal, what do we got? We got 9.3 divided by 58. The slope of this line is approximately 0.16. So, just to quickly summarize, we have a graph with a line. We're trying to find the slope, but the ordered pairs that we know are not easy to work with ordered pairs. So using rise and run will be very difficult to do. So this alternate or second formula that you can use to find slope is basically asking you to find the difference in the y-coordinates, difference meaning to subtract, and then to find the difference in the x-coordinates, and then divide them, which, as a little side note here, is really no different than taking rise and dividing it by run. Rise is really just the difference in the y-coordinates, and run is really just the difference in the x-coordinates. So really, this formula, although it appears to be very, very different than rise over run, really does say the exact same thing.